Here is a quick setup of the M240 silent Bluetooth Logitech mouse. So now this is actually the new one. You don't need the USB that you have to attach to your PC, your laptop. So this is Bluetooth, and I got this from Target. So this is Logitech, and it does include the battery already. So that's a plus. And all you need to do first is, of course, remove that barrier for the battery to work. And then now if you see that light flashing at the back of the mouse, that's the Bluetooth connector. So now you don't need anything, so it's just going to be that mouse. Now you go to your PC or whichever you're working into and go to your setting, and then type Bluetooth if you're not seeing the Bluetooth connector right away, and then click on the Bluetooth and other device settings. And from there you are gonna go add a device. So from here I'm still like looking into it, but it's at the bottom. You click add a device and make sure, of course, that your mouse is turned on and the Bluetooth flashing LED light is on. So as soon as you click on add a device, it's actually at the bottom because I was working on finding it. And then as soon as you add a device, this will come up. Now you're gonna go click Bluetooth, and then because your mouse, your new mouse is on, then you will see the M240 there. So just click on it, and then it's gonna say connecting, and then your device is ready to go that fast. It only took longer for me to find the add a device button. And then from there you can see that I am now using that new mouse that I just connected. So the previous mouse is also wireless, and I'm still using it, but it does work with two mouse. So then at the bottom it says device is ready, which we already know it works. There's a turn and on and off button there, and then you can also download the Logitech options and software if you have other Logitech accessories that you want to go connect with. I'm just showing you quickly how to download the app just in case you need it, but you don't have to. But you can control your mouse and keyboards and pen in there. So just download it and just say yes when you're done downloading, and it's just gonna show you a welcome page and just showing you what new type of like accessories, new accessories they have for Logitech. So that's it. Just quick Bluetooth connection. You should try it.